In this video, we are going to show you how to kick a ball, what to look out for and how to make it easier or harder. Stand slightly to the side and behind the ball. Step forward and place the non-kicking foot by the side of the ball. The kicking leg swing back using the arms to balance. Kick the ball with the lace area of the trainer. Ensure the head is over the ball and eyes are watching the ball. Follow through in the same direction of the target. You may see someone stretching to kick the ball and kicking it with their toes or not using their arms to balance. To make it harder, kick the ball with the inside of the foot or kicking the ball while moving. To make it easier, start with a standing foot beside the ball before kicking. Can you think of other ways to make it easier or harder? Why not visit our Facebook, Twitter and website for more ideas?